by 3/6. And then I wanted to, I used some fabric. I used some old chicken bags just to hold it all in better and maybe condense the humidity. Plus drive the heat up. So I don't know. I said this is all an experiment. I just saw somebody else do this heat in a greenhouse. Well, this is not a greenhouse. This is what they call them, tunnels. I've been homesteading my entire life, but just didn't know it. I didn't know it. I've just been building this stuff and always using it. So I'm not using the right terminology sometime. But anyhow, we're gonna plug this back in now. Hopefully it doesn't break again. And then I started to put the boards up, but then when it broke, it wasn't really broke, but it was, you could tell it was gonna break. I figured by the time I got all the boards on, it'd break. So, well, we did that, and chickens have been banging around, beating each other up today. And yeah, so we're gonna fill this puppy up and see what happens. It's Wednesday, about 5 o'clock. Was a nice day, 55 degrees. But for the next 3 days, I think it's going to be in the 40s. So I'm still gonna, I want to get this buttoned up so I want to get out there and get some maple trees tapped. I'd like to get a little bit, at least show you how I do it. But anyhow, I'll talk to you later. All right, well, we got been working on the compost pile. It's going to go inside the greenhouse. I got one bad. I don't know what I keep doing wrong here. I got one bad. See how this one on the right hand side, how it didn't. So I don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to take that down or I think I'll be all right. Anyhow, we got the compost pile started in. It's going to be inside the greenhouse. This is what's going to heat the greenhouse. See, it's 60 down, and it's pretty cold outside right now. It's windy and cold. So I think it was 40 degrees, but the wind is blowing at 15. So you can see this is going up. So I think I got it wet enough. I don't know. I'm gonna squirt it again. I'm gonna fill it all the way up, all the way to the top here. I got plastic around the bottom half. I don't know why I did that. I just thought that it would be better if I try to keep the humidity in. Might not work, but we're gonna find out. Other than that, it's been pretty uneventful. Chickens, I've just let them stay in today. Today's, what is today? Thursday? I'm way behind schedule. This is up tomorrow and the plastic may be on. And by this weekend, I should be able to get some seeds planted and get a couple maple trees tapped. And we'll go from there. All right, everybody's fat, dumb, and happy now. It's a bunch of happy chickens. Got them some grub, some leftovers, and some scrambled eggs. And this guy out here, he's sitting there telling all the girls he's got some food for them. But they can't get to it, can they? Look at him. He'll pick that stuff up and drop it on the ground for him. See, watch him. He'll go, hey, look. He says, maybe I'll just eat it. You girls are on your own. You're not gonna give them nothing? Huh? No, you just decided that was pretty tasty, huh? Huh? See, even Junior's ignoring the young rooster in there. He's in there stuffing his face. You doing it again? Huh? No? I put the camera on you and you're not a clown no more, huh? You don't want to tell the ladies you got some food out here? No? Huh? No, you're just going to gobble it all down. I had to keep everybody happy for a while. There's a bunch of little trees that I got. I know they're hard to see, that it just looks like a stick growing up out of the ground. But they're all getting dug up this year. Here, hopefully, before it gets too warm, they're little maple trees. Bonsai. There's one right there. Got good little trunks. They're not like Japanese maple, which have small leaves. These have big leaves. But still, good practice so you don't kill the expensive ones. Alright, well, it's Monday morning. This is the first one I did, the fodder. Didn't do very good. It was just too cold. We got this cold snap in here in Ohio, and it was pretty brutal. What are you doing? He's become my little buddy now. Follows me around. One of these days he's going to attack me though. When you turn your back on a rooster, it never is a very good thing. But anyhow, I digress. We're going to give this to the people. To the girls. Right, girls? Huh? And but you can see all the roots. See all the roots on the bottom of this? I don't know if that's showing very good. It's in the sun and out of the sun. Yeah, I know. Yeah, but see all them roots? And then the green. But yeah, it'll freak them out for a minute. Once they realize what it is. What's the matter, Junior? You're scared of everything. Huh? You better get out here. Better come get it. I probably should have tore it up a little bit, because only the hens with the dominant hens will get in there. The younger hens will tend to stay in the outskirts because they don't want to get pecked. But they'll all get in there eventually. Get something, Junior. But we'll keep growing it. It does grow a whole lot better. What's the matter with you? Having themselves a little salad. Huh? Quit causing problems. Gotta give him a name. Junior says, quit causing problems. He's over there chasing me. You can't get him, Junior. He's on the other side of the fence, man. Nope. As soon as the dominant ones start getting full, the younger ones will start getting in there. Now Junior's on top of it. Does that feel good on your feet, Junior? Huh? Yeah. But you give one of them every morning, and it definitely will supplement their feed. It was only a little cup of wheat, and they'll peck at that thing all day long, or until it's gone. And then we'll get some more started, and but we got the greenhouse finally sort of back to order. We got the cover back on and support in.